Hello, I'm Philip Bell, the plant manager at our KPS Fort Worth facility. I'm here at our Innovation Center where we want to highlight some of the things that make KPS Global unique. We are the leading provider of custom solutions for controlled environments. Setting the industry standard for more than 75 years, our knowledgeable experts work with you to develop cold storage solutions for a wide range of industries, including food retail, industrial, and scientific markets. With access to our design and engineering services, your project will be built to your specification and manufactured in one of our 5 strategically located manufacturing plants. KPS provides custom walk-ins to meet any controlled environment and can be used in indoor and outdoor applications for temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Known for our expertise in custom and complex panel systems, KPS Global starts with the end in mind, integrating every detail into the manufacturing process from beginning to end. Whether it's openings, windows, junction boxes, roof hatches, louvers, thermostats, or refrigeration systems, we handle it all in the factory during the manufacturing process. This eliminates messy and time-consuming field cuts and delivers a precise factory-finished panel that's ready for installation. Custom, it's what we know, it's what we do.